Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today's topic of discussion is going to be what is marketing funnel. These days you see a lot of advertisements, claiming that if a particular marketing funnel is going to be adopted, they're going to help you scale your business to certain crores or to certain number of, figures. So, you yourself can also design a good marketing funnel for yourself. Once you understand the basic concept of what exactly it is, what are the different stages of these marketing funnels, and what strategy need to be adopted so that you can actually scale your business. So, it's basically all revolves around understanding the basic concept of what exactly marketing funnel is. What are the strategies that you're going to adopt at the 3 different stages of the marketing funnel? And the tactics that you're going to use, or what challenges that you may face at different stages. So we're going to discuss all that in detail. Let us start. So let us begin with understanding what is funnel. Now funnel, if we understand in general or a layman term, it is simply a tube which is broader at the top and narrow at the bottom, and is helpful in guiding any form of a liquid or a powdery material down the narrow tube. On a similar note, just imagine the marketing funnel to be. We are going to discuss that. Before that, let us just have a small recap of what is the purpose of marketing. Basically, generating awareness, interest, and increasing the revenue by boosting the sales. The marketing funnel basically works on the similar note. Now, to move your prospects down the funnel, you need to design the content which is satisfying their needs, your prospects' needs, at each of the 3 different stages of this marketing funnel. Now, what are the 3 different stages of this marketing funnel? A, content at the top of the funnel to facilitate awareness. B, content at the middle of the funnel to facilitate evaluation. And C, content at the bottom of the funnel to facilitate conversion. Now when we talk about funnel on one hand, we are also going to talk about blogging on the other hand, because blogging is something in today's time which is helping to generate awareness. This is a content that is created to reach a wide range of audience that can be your potential customers. Now the key over here is to grab the attention of your potential customers and bring them down to the company's sales funnel. So in this video, I'm going to basically talk about top of the funnel content. Now imagine somebody who is totally unaware about you or your existence or the products or the services that you're offering. What is your basic or the initial step going to be? You have to first introduce yourself. You have to first make them aware about your existence in the market. So basically, the prospects that enter the top of the funnel are the people who are totally unaware of you or your products or services. Often at times they are also unaware that they have the problem that need to be solved. Key over here is provide the content which can be freely accessible. Use the ungated content over here, which is basically covering your educational content, your entertainment content, your inspirational content. I have covered this in detail in lecture 14, so please see my previous videos. Now let us discuss the pain point over here. So at an initial stage, when you're trying to establish yourself in the market or making aware about yourself in the market, it is difficult to imagine that you're going to gain some kind of a profit. So the basic pain point over here is measuring the return on investment. Your investment with respect to your time, your efforts, your money is going to be quite more as compared to what you're going to gain in return. But then if all this is done quite strategically, it is definitely going to incur profit in later terms. Now let us discuss what are the different content types that can help you generate awareness at this initial stage, that is the top of the funnel content. A is blogging. Now blogging is a very straightforward way and are perfect when considered with respect to generating awareness. In this, you may address questions with respect to your own research and demonstrate all that is of concern and interest to your potential customer and even the pain points. For example, say you are into a hospitality industry and you have to raise awareness about your services. So you create a blog post that is about the unique characteristics of your hotels, of the tips about that particular area and the different influencers that will resonate with your brand. B is social media. Online users basically explore different brands when browsing the social media or the websites. Facebook, Pinterest, etc., where companies such as Airbnb tweet about the 10 perfect Paris food experiences and provide valuable information to their followers for free. And they also give solutions that their company will provide. Therefore, here you can use paid social campaign to drive awareness and generate leads. Also, a content that is informative and engaging both. C is infographics. This is an interesting and engaging way to demonstrate your content. The fun images or the contrasting, eye-catching colors which is used makes it very easy for the audience to actually understand your content. This is therefore very effective in creating awareness by delivering a content which is educational as well as entertaining. Example, advertisement by Casper Mattress providing tips on better sleeping habits. Next is photographs and videos. Photographs and videos can explain a lot. This is a highly engaging medium which can be used, or whether it is used in any kind of a social media platform, whether it is YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, etc. For example, a tour guide company can post pictures of its customers and can then effectively demonstrate the work done by the company. Next is audio and video podcast. Top of the funnel can use the content in the form of podcast. Podcasts are the most flexible form and can deliver the most consumable or easily understandable content. It can promote the product and at the same time provide value to the prospect. Podcasts can easily be heard during traveling, workout, etc. Next is research. Now, research basically being conducted either by survey, interview, or observations, whether presented in the form of ebook or white paper or report or just as an original content, is very powerful to capture the awareness when at the top of the funnel. Although it can be a bit difficult and time consuming when you have to carry on the research, but it is eventually providing a detailed and exclusive information to your prospects and is also at the same time demonstrating thought leadership in their area of interest or needs. Now, what are the tactics that I use at this stage? Number one, use of compelling content. Use the social media platform, broadcast it. Number two is search engine optimization, that is the SEO. The search for any information basically starts with the search engine. Hence, ensuring that your brand comes on the top when being searched is an important tactic for the top of the funnel audience. Number three is partnerships. Now, partnership with a business that is having the same target audience can help you reach the wider range of audience quite early and will help your business to expand. Therefore, some people use influencers or industry authority who have large following and go for advertising or product endorsement. Thank you.